In this video from Device Doctor, we will fix the error 06 issue on the HP LaserJet M236 DW printer. If your printer keeps blinking and won't print, stay tuned in just a few minutes.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When I turn on the printer, after a few moments, the error 06 message appears. This issue usually happens because of a paper jam or something blocking the paper path. Watch this video until the end and carefully follow each step. By doing so, you will be able to fix this problem on your own. In the first step, open the top cover of the printer so you can clearly see inside. Carefully check the paper path. If you find any paper stuck inside, just like in our printer, you need to remove it completely. Now that you have found the problem, you should turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. This will make it safe to continue working on the printer. Unscrew the two screws that hold the protective cover in place. This will give you better access to the stuck paper. Using a pair of tweezers, carefully remove the stuck paper. Be gentle to avoid damaging any parts inside the printer. Removing the stuck paper or any foreign object may be a little difficult. However, it is important to be patient and carefully take it out completely. Using tweezers makes it easier and more precise to remove the stuck paper. Now, screw the screws back to secure the cover again. Now we come to the most important part of the video, testing the printer. Now you can see that no error appears anymore. We will make a few copies to be sure the printer is working correctly. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. We hope this guide helped you fix the error 06 on your HP LaserJet M236 DW printer easily and quickly. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our step-by-step printer guides and troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for more helpful videos and keep your devices running perfectly.